日本語、
いい拳だ。
ドイツ語、
Jung, was für eine stattliche Faust.
Have you seen those incredible AI dubbed videos that sound just like the original creator? The voice, the emotion, it's all there. Today, I'm going to show you how to dub your video like this in minutes. Don't waste your time, let's go. Step 1, download HitPaw Edimakor. The first thing you'll need is the right software. We'll be using HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once you've got it installed, go ahead and open it up, and we'll be ready for the next step. Step 2, clone the voice. This is the most crucial part of getting that perfect, natural sound. To get started, click New Project, and import the video that contains the voice you want to clone. Drag the video down onto the timeline. Now drag the playhead to the beginning of the character's dialogue, and click the scissors icon to make a cut. Then, do the same at the end of their dialogue to isolate the voice clip. Right-click on the video clip, and select Detach Audio, and you can now delete all the other video and audio parts, keeping only the voice clip you need. Sometimes, a voice clip might have background noise or music. Here's how to fix that. Go to the right-hand panel. Under Audio, you'll see Noise Reduction and Vocal Remover. If there's background noise, simply enable Noise Reduction, and the software will automatically clean up the audio for you. If there's background music, open Vocal Remover, and choose Keep Only Human Voice. Now you might have a short voice clip, but to clone a voice, you need at least 30 seconds of audio. This is an easy fix. Just copy and paste the voice clip repeatedly on the timeline until you reach at least 30 seconds. Once you've done that, export it as an audio file. Next, go to the audio section at the top, select Clone Voice, and either drag or import the audio clip you just exported. Wait a moment for it to process. And there it is. Give your new voice a name, and click Save the Tone. And you can now find this voice under Text-to-Speech in the My Voice section. Step 3, dub your video. Now for the final step. Import the video you want to dub, and drag it onto the timeline. Right-click on the video, and select Video Translator. Choose the language you want to translate your video into from over 150 languages. For this example, I'm going to select English. Under the Styles section, pick a subtitle style you like. Then scroll down and under My Voice, and select the cloned voice you just saved. With everything set, just hit Auto Subtitling, and the software will automatically translate and dub your video for you.
Oh. Wow, that was quite a punch. Unless I'm mistaken, you've gotten slightly stronger.
Isn't that amazing? It's that simple to create professional quality multilingual content. Before you go, here's some exciting news. We're having our back to school event, and you can get a huge discount on Edimakor. We also have free trials you can win. This event runs from August 18th to September 15th, so make sure to click the link in the description to join in on the fun before it's too late. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.